Did you know it's vlog day?
Ah! Oi! What?
He's the dog that always chases me on the skateboard.
Oh, he just recognized you.
Today I wanted to get this wall painted white, ready for huge mandala, which I want to do this week, if I get time. Hopefully I do. It's going to take like 2 days to finish it, I reckon. Maybe even 3 days. I mean, yeah, 2 days. 2 days I could probably get it done. Obviously I have to paint the wall the first day, let it dry overnight, then the next day I can sketch it all out. That's going to take quite a while. And then the third day I'll ink the outline, and then the fourth day will be the shading. So actually maybe 2 days isn't realistic. Maybe it's like 3.5 days. Dry. I'll leave it till tomorrow. Today I got an appointment for a tattoo, so can't do any more. Just finished the tattoo. I got like an hour to spare, so I can do a little bit more now that the paint is dry. All the angles marked, and now what I have to do is just extend these all the way to the edge of the wall. So we get out of here and take the puppy for a walk.